Yes.
Yeah.
So that double negative, like you've been doing, becomes two positives.
15 plus 30. Okay. So that'd be 47.
Be 47. Yeah.
So it was 47 degrees.
Sorry, 47, not 42. Okay. Any questions on that?
No, I don't think
So
so.
try 23. It's the same thing. You're going to take
Well, wouldn't it be just 9?
how did you get 9?
Well, I did it so that it would be the larger number, which is 6,
Good.
minus the -3, which is a double negative, so it changes to 6 plus 3, and 6 plus 3 is 9.
Very good.
Eh,
Okay, let's take a look at the next grouping here of questions. So I think it's great that you tried these on your own. Looks like you're really getting them down. Let me take a look here. So I'm going to mark them right or wrong. So check, check. Uh, that's correct. I'm just decoding what you have here. What is your answer over here? I can't see it.
Oh, it is 15.
15 is correct. Correct. This one is wrong. This one is correct. Correct. Just taking a look at 20, 29.
Okay. So keep keep that. So, but I'm not sure what you would do for it.
So yeah, you had this issue in a previous one. When they're the same sign, these are same sign.
Yeah.
You keep the sign.
Yeah.
So the answer is negative, and then you add the numbers without the sign.
Okay.
So 4 plus 5 is 9. So it
9.
becomes -9.
Oh, it's -9.
Yeah.
Um,
So
I
like do
have
this one.
-9 on
Oh, you
here.
do. Oh, you
Yeah.
do. It doesn't look like it.
Yeah, it's weird because of just the photos that's crinkled up. But yeah, I have -9 on here.
Okay, well then you got it right. All right. Yeah. I mean, this is good. Are you doing these on your own mostly,
Yeah, I
fully?
am. All of those
No.
I'm doing on my own. Just like the mixed review size, so I
Okay.
sometimes
All right. So
struggle.
let's look at the mixed review side. So as a bit of a review here before we do any of these problems, you have to, we actually should do like 2 first.
Okay, I didn't finish it.
Because you started number 2.
But then I realized it's
Well, you're doing
minus
you're doing fine. You've got 25A minus
minus
10A
10, which is
minus
15,
8A,
but that would be 7, right?
7A
So
plus 1.
7A plus 1. Okay. And for number
All right.
3,
So why don't you try number 1 on your own?
okay.
Now, one of the things I would really like you to do is circle, like underline or circle with including the operator.
But
Like extend that over so that
so
you see that
yeah,
it's the whole.
but the that minus the wouldn't that just become x squared? Or where it just
Yeah,
cancel out completely.
they do cancel, yes.
So will you just not put that and then put,
Well, so if you were to put anything, it would be 0x², but 0 times anything is 0. So you don't need it.
yeah, that's what I did. Then it would be the 8 plus 1, which is 9. So then you put
Okay.
9 plus um
And I like
3x
put
minus 1. So which
X.
is 2x.
Okay. Yes. Now maybe that's what you have written there. I don't know. Your
Yeah, I
nine,
do.
it didn't quite look like a 9. It looked like a hesitant 9. Hesitation 9. Have you ever watched any shows where they analyze handwriting?
No.
It's actually you can tell a lot by the way someone writes things. Kind of interesting, I think. I would always put that 1 in front of the X or in front of the variable, but you got it there. Okay, let's try the next one here. Go ahead and try this one out. Let me know what you come up
Mhm.
with.
20 minus 4, 16 plus 9n. So 16 plus 9n.
Very good. So for the next grouping, why don't you try to write them out one at a time here? And for your number, maybe always use X for your number. Be good.
Okay. Difference, which is subtraction.
Difference is subtraction.
So 9 minus x, or
Uh,
x minus 9, sorry.
yeah, it's typically that the number comes after the letter. Not always, but typically. All right.
4 times the sum of 8 and a number. So 4 times, is sum addition? Yeah.
Sum is addition, yes.
So 8 plus x times 4. Yeah.
So, yeah, this is what I heard.
Yeah.
Is that what you meant?
Yeah.
Okay. This is, um, there's parentheses here.
Okay. So 8 plus x. But then wouldn't it be after that times 4?
Yeah, and the 4
8.
typically would come in front. So it'd be 4 times 8 plus X is the
Okay.
preferred to do it. Okay. You want to try the last one there on your own? It also
2
kind of
less than the
has a
quotient of a number in 3.
parentheses.
So quotient is division?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So x divided by 3 minus 2.
Yeah. Now this time, um, sorry, -2. Good. Okay. Any questions on that? Thoughts on that?
No, draw each number to the nearest 10. So that'd be 20 for A.
Tenth is not the same as tens. Your
Oh, so
tenth is to the right of the
the
decimal point.
9.80. 9.1?
19.1.
19, sorry, yeah.
Yeah,
19.
that is correct. That's correct.
One,
So do the next two.
okay. 866.9.
Okay.
81.95. Okay, so now 82.
82.0. Make sure you add in that decimal point because
Okay.
you're showing that it's to the 10th. Even
Hmm.
though 82 is correct, it's like
Okay.
trying to be, you're being like overly clear.
Hmm.
It's like, hey, look, I cleaned my room. Like, you show it's clean, like fully clean.
Yeah.
Um,
So next one would just be like, because 3 times 3 is 9, so that wouldn't be circled, right?
That's right.
Okay. So 4 times 4. Means that would be there. 5 times 5, 25. There. 6 times 6, 36. That's there. 7 times 7, which would be 49. So that wouldn't be there. So 4 squared, 5 squared, and 6 squared. It'll work.
All right, so to do number 7, you have to know what place. And the wording is kind of important. Like, the 8's in the ones place, the 2 is the tens, 0 is the tenths. What's the sixth?
Um, what is the value of the
Well, yeah, forget that. Just tell me what the place is there. What's the place?
the thousandth?
Okay, but isn't that the tenths?
Oh, so it would be the
The
hundredths?
hundredths. So which of these kind of looks like a hundredth?
Would be.
There it is.
Okay.
So if it
One
were like
half
0.6, it would be this one. 0.06,
this one,
0.006.
0.0006.
Yes.
Okay. Next one would be 1/2 times 2/3 times 3/4. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
So how do you do that? Do you remember from a couple lessons
You
ago?
find the common denominator?
You're multiplying, so you don't have to find a common denominator. You
Okay.
just you just
So you
multiply.
1 times 2, right?
Times 3, you can multiply all of them.
Okay. 1 times 2 times 3 times 2, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so the top number is 6. Then 2 times 3, 6 times 4, 6 times 4, 6 times 3, 6 times 4 would be 24. So 6/24ths. But that could be reduced, couldn't it?
Yes, you should always reduce. What does that reduce to?
Um,
Always start with 2. You have
yeah,
2 work,
that could
keep
be
going.
3. So 3/12.
And
Then
then
that
when
could
2
be
doesn't work, go to 3.
so 1/4. So
Yes. Now, could you have pre-reduced?
yeah.
2 cancels with 2, 3 cancels with 3. What is your final answer? See how the 1 and the
Um
4.
yeah, so yeah.
So it's up to you. You can pre-reduce. I like it.
Okay. Next one. How many seconds could a 9-year-old child run in meters? Probably 20 seconds?
Yeah. Do you know the world record in the 100 meters?
13 seconds, right?
It's like 9.5 seconds ish.
That's world record. This is a
Right.
9-year-old
So
child.
it's probably not 5. It's probably not 10. And I think that's a little high. It's probably like 15 seconds. I mean,
If they're like fully sprinting.
yeah. Well, I would hope so. You're only 9. I mean, when you're 9, you can
Yeah.
really do it. But okay. Number 10 here.
What's the pattern? The table. 5, 8, 10, 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, 5, 7, 12. 2, I don't really see a pattern.
Yeah, me. I don't need a three. Okay. Genres A and B. Okay, you're going this direction.
Okay, so that's three. There's usually between three. So 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yes. Right, good job. Okay, let's do well, we've got some options here. Do you have anything else that you want to work on at this point?
I don't think so.
Okay, I want to make sure we've got some sum and difference problems figured out. So I'm going to kind of make these a little more complicated. Let's say it's -1 minus a -3 minus 5. Could you simplify this for us, please?
Sure. So is it would be -1 or subtraction one?
They're the same in this,
Oh,
like this,
okay.
think of this as -1. Yeah.
Okay. Um, so you do would you
You do,
change that three to a +3
yep.
and then add -1 plus 3, which is 2, and then 2 minus 5 is -3.
Questions?
Mm,
Okay, let's try another one here.
okay. It's 4. -4 plus -5, -9 plus 8, -1 plus -2, -1 minus -2 is -3 again, right?
What's your final answer?
-3?
Okay. What is -4 minus 5?
Well, -4 minus 5 is -1.
Nope, try again. So it becomes plus negative.
Yeah,
There's your
which is
problem. Yep.
-9.
Yeah, -9. Okay. Plus 8. So do that next.
-1.
Double negative becomes a
So, so -1 plus 2 is negative. It is just 1.
good. Now, how does your work compare to what I've got here?
It looks sort of the same, except I did the 4 minus, which is I did that addition like 4 plus 5.
Okay. What I mean is like focus in on like doing one operation at a time, only
Mhm.
bring stuff down when you need to.
Okay.
All right, let's try another one here. Okay, so give this one a try, please.
Mhm. Um. Okay. So we can change 4 minus 4 plus 6. Okay. So positive 2 plus -2 Yeah, okay, well, 4 minus 6 is 2. So then you'd add,
But it's not two. Try again.
sorry, wait. 4 minus 6. Oh, it's 4 minus 6, not 6 minus 4. So it would be -2. Okay,
Yes.
that's right. Okay. So -2 plus -2 is -4 minus -3. Would you change those to -4 plus 3? Which would become -1.
Yep. This becomes -4 plus 3, -1. Good. Okay. Let's try a couple more here.
-5. Change 5. -8 plus 2. -10. -3.
Is your final answer?
Yes.
Okay. So this is -8 plus
Mhm.
-2 is -10
10.
plus 7 is -3. Very good. All right. I feel like you definitely got that down. Um, let's do some comparison stuff. Okay, what symbol goes in there?
Be equal?
Okay, very good.
Mm.
How about
Five. The 65 or 100 is greater than, so would it be less than? Would be the symbol?
which symbol goes in there? The first one, the middle
The
one, or the
first
bottom
one.
one?
The
Yes, that's
first one.
correct. Okay. All right. Okay. So we gotta do some fraction stuff. All right, so let's go. Does this become?
Um, so 1/8.
Right, good. So we're gonna add some fraction now. So you're asking about common denominators. When you add fractions, that's where you have to think about that. So let's do like 3/4 plus 5/6.
Okay.
You want to make
So
a common denominator.
okay, so 12 is common denominator. Um, so then that would be four. So 9/12 plus 10/12. That'd be 19/12.
Okay, that's your final answer.
Yeah.
All right, good. So we got yeah, like you said, you got 9 and 10, 19, 12. It's great. Okay. Uh let's have you let me have you round. Well, you did those well. Okay. Let me go back and look at your previous assignments. See what else, what other stuff you've been working on. Do you feel like there's something you want us to work on that you know about?
No, I'm feeling pretty confident right now.
Yeah, let me go look at the notes that I've sent out. That will also give me an idea. All right, so let's see what we did last time. Oh yeah, we had some perimeter questions. Oh, we have some value stuff. Okay. All right, let's try a few more here. Let's go -1 minus the absolute value of -3.
Mhm.
Do you remember how to do these or what that absolute value does?
Uh-huh. So -1, it's 2.
Which one? It's 2. Final answer is 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So the absolute value of -3 is 3.
Yeah.
You have -1 minus 3.
Mm-hmm. Should be 2, right?
Plus negative. They're both negative.
Oh. Okay, so -4.
All right, let's try another one here. Let's go absolute value of -6 minus a -3 plus absolute value -5 minus 6.
Mhm. So it becomes 6 minus so so 6, 3, 5 minus 6 and 9 plus 5 minus 6, 9 plus 5, 14, 6, is 6, 8, 8. And finance would probably be 8.
It is 8. Very good. Right. So how about this one? This is something slightly different. 0.7 to the power of 2.
Okay. So just 0.49? 0.49?
0.49. Perfect. Yeah, good job on that. That looked like one we had an issue with before. Very good. Let's convert the mixed number to an improper fraction.
Okay.
So let's say it's 5 and 4/9. If you need some help with the formula, I'd be happy to provide that to you.
Okay. Mixed number
This is the mixed number.
to
An improper
improper.
fraction
Okay,
means it's
so
it's it's just got, a top and a bottom, no number in
okay.
front.
Okay. Right. So isn't it the 9 times 5 9 times 5 plus 4?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, okay. So 9 times 5, 45, 49.
Okay,
So
so let's say it's 5 and 4/9 times 6/7. Okay, so all I'm doing is extending the problem here. You're going to use this result here to go with this.
okay. So 49 over 9 times 6/7. 9 times 7, 63.
I would recommend pre-reducing if you can.
Okay. So, okay. Okay. Mm,
So like 49 and 7. What
okay.
does like 7 and 1? They're both divisible by 7. What is
Mhm.
6 and 9 divisible by?
Um,
What number goes into both?
6 and 7, or
9.
6 and 9.
6 and 9.
Um, 18.
No, it goes into, divides both. What number divides both?
Um, 3.
Yep. So you divide them both by 3, so that's 2.
Oh, so it would just be 14 over 3.
14 over 3. Yes. Let's try one more of those. Let's go 55 over 16 times 12 over 35. See if
Okay.
you can pre-reduce, please. You definitely don't want to multiply those and divide.
Okay. Um, 3, 4, 55 over. Hmm, 12 over 35. 33 over 28.
Okay. Yeah, so like 5 goes into this, that's 11,
Mhm.
that's 7.
Yeah.
4 goes into it, that's 3 and 4, so 33 over 28. Very good. All right, we're going to stop there for today. Good job.